Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to use referral code on Shein. Using a referral code on Shein is a straightforward process that allows you to earn discount or rewards. So here is an easy tutorial on how to use a referral code on Shein. Let's get started. First, if you haven't already signed up or a Shein account on the Shein website or mobile app, then sign up or log in. If you are an existing user, log into your account. Then simply go to the cart and select any dresses or anything you want from Shein. Then simply check out. Then in checkout, scroll down. Then you can see the apply coupon available right below the add one item to order option. Then tap on the apply coupon and then simply enter the code provided to you by Shein there and tap on the apply option. After entering the referral code, continue with the checkout process as usual. Once the order is successfully placed, the discount or reward associated with the referral code will be applied to your purchase. And that is it, guys. By following these steps, you can easily use a referral code on Shein to earn discounts or rewards. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.